Welcome back viewers. In today's video we will be checking out the KDE desktop of Sparky Linux stable install. So we have installed the stable edition of Sparky Linux with KDE desktop. So let us go ahead and check it out. So we are greeted with this welcome screen on booting it up for the first time. And it consists of homepage, forums, wiki, git repo, donate, app center, upgrade, about, system info and backup. And at the bottom there are links to the Sparky community presence on the social networks like Facebook, Twitter, Mevi, Telegram, Reddit, Mastodon. Then there is link to the Patreon and Wikipedia. So first of all, what I will do is I will open the settings, open the KDE system settings, and I will configure the screen resolution because the present screen resolution is not proper. Yes, now it is little better. No, but it has again reduced the size. Maybe this should work. Let us see. No. So it is not properly working with the resolution. Let us check this out. This is also but a bit better. Or we can go with something else. Let us try this out. This is also not proper. Okay, so anyway, we will continue with this only. We have no other option available because the resolution is not changing as per our needs. So I will close this right now. So let us click on the home page. So what it opens up, let us see. Here you can see the default wallpaper of Sparky Linux. Okay, so it's open up the main web page of Sparky Linux. So good enough. I will close this. Let us check out the version once. So it is the older 91.12 ESR, that is extended release, stability release. So it is the older stable Firefox browser update. So I will close this down. The welcome screen, yes, it had disappeared, but now it has come back again. So in most cases, in most of the Linux distros, the welcome app or the welcome screen will stay minimized when you open a link from the welcome app or screen. But here the welcome app or screen disappears whenever we click on any link, and when we close the link it again appears again automatically. So let us click on the forums. So this is the Sparky Linux forums. Okay, what happens is I will now close this. Let us check out the git repo. So here you can see some of the apps of Sparky Linux are there. Now the wiki is there. Okay, the donate link is there. Let us open the donate link. Okay, so we have already checked this out in the last video of during the installation. No, not installation, sorry, during the introduction video. Now let us open the app center. So here you have to input your password. It is taking up some time. So this software center is called Aptus App Center. Okay, so it is based on APT technologies. So they have redesigned the App Center. It is not the Debian Synaptic Package Manager or the GNOME Software Center. So here you got applications, Aptus, search, info, and exit. So there are some categories given here like accessories, desktops, development, graphics, office, multimedia, games, edu science, internet, security, and systems. So let us check out desktops. Let us see what happens. Oh, very good. This is very nice. You can see all the desktops are given here. You got this awesome BSPWM. So these two are window manager. Then you got Budgie, CD. I have not checked out. Cinnamon is there. Desktop, Draco, Enlightenment, Fluxbox, Genome Flashback, Genome Shell, i3, IceWM, JWM. If you remember IceWM, we have recently did a review for OpenSUSE. JWM, we have done the review Joe's Window Manager in Arco Linux. KDE Plasma Lumina, we have not checked anytime. LXDE, LSQT, Mate, NFCDE, OpenBox, we have done for I think Endeavor also we have done. We have checked it out for OpenSUSE also and for the Arco Linux. OpenBox Noir we have not checked. PKW also we have not checked out. Sugar is available in Debian but we have not checked it out. Trinity Desktop also we have not checked out. UKUI also we have not checked. The Window Maker we have not checked. XFC we have done many times. Genome Flashback and Genome Shell is pending. Fluxbox we have done for the IceWM when we did the JWM along with Fluxbox for the this NTX Linux distro. So quite a number of Windows Manager and desktops are available here. So we should take note of this and we should try this all of them if possible. So now I will close this. There is a way. Yes, there is a way to go back. Now let us check out the multimedia, what they have got for the multimedia. So it is all neatly categorized: audio players, audio tools, burn CD, DVD, video players, video tools, codecs. So let us check out the codecs, what they have got in codecs. Fantastic. So here it is very easy for the user to choose. So you got FFSC, FM, FF, MPG, FLAC, GStreamer. Then you got mancoder, lib, DVD read, MPG 123, MPG 321, lame codec. All the codecs are there. X265 and X264 encoder. Those are also available. Then let us check out the video tools. Very nice. So you see all the popular video tools are available: KDE Live, Flowblade, DVD Styler. Very nice. So this makes the search for application packages very easy. So it is very neatly done. It is very aesthetically done. You can see it is all very plain and beautiful design. So everything what you require is there. What is this Sparky tool? Maybe we will check it out later in some other video, but everything what require is there. Let us go back again. Now what we will do is let us check out what is in others. So in others you got some more tools for the audio video. You can see here. This is fantastic way they have done it. I really like this. Now let us go back again. Now let us check out security. Let us check out what is there in security. It is interesting. Okay, so here you can see all the security tools are there, like ClamTK, EB tables, ARP tables, firewall builder, NFT tables, this password manager, open Fortinet VPN, open VPN, password gorilla, everything is there whatever required. This is the universal firewall. This is the graphical universal firewall. Finger is there, spam assassin is there, everything is there. So this makes the search and selection and installation of required applications very easy. We will go back now. Let us now go over and check. We cannot check everything. So what we will do is now we will let us check out the aptus. What is there in aptus? Okay, so in aptus you have got the refresh package list option, safely upgrade system, full system upgrade, search packages from repository, install packages from repos, install package from local drive, remove packages from system, auto remove old packages, clean all dev cache packages, fix broken packages, edit main repository, edit custom repositories, install language, remove non-free packages, clean home, and the terminal is there. So this is also very nice. So this is the info for the system. So the Sparky Aptus App Center, contributors name, translations, and the technology it is based on YAD and HTML. So with this, I will stop the App Center now. I will exit from the App Center. We will check out the other tools that might be available for the user. So we wait for the welcome to come up again, or we can just search. Yes, so we can search it again. Yes. Now let us check out the about. So here it gives the software configuration. So you got the Sparky Linux OS version is 6.4, OS code name is Portolo, date, time zone. You can see it is 64-bit. KV Next11 is the window manager. So they have got the 32-bit architecture also enabled by default. So it is not enabled by default in Debian, but it is enabled here in Sparky Linux. The user ID, username, user groups. By default, it is adding me in audio, video, plug DV, user, scanner. So this is very nice. What happens in Debian, you are not added to many of these groups and you have to do it yourself. You have to do it manually. But here by default, they have added me to all these groups. Okay, so now what I will do is I will come back to home. Okay, it is just opening up the. Okay, now we are done with the. Now let us check out the system info. I think it is same thing. Yes, no, it is hardware information. So here the CPU information is given. Then you have got the memory information, PCI bus information, module information. So these are the software modules that are installed. That is software kernel software modules, we can say more specifically. Then there is some sensor information, but sensors are not loaded right now in memory. This is the disk information. You can see here. Okay, so that is nice. Now let us check out the backup. Okay. So the Sparky backup system is there. It consists of two tools, Sparky Backup Core and the Sparky Backup System. It provides a GUI, YAD-based front end to the text-based backup tool. So this is a text-based backup tool and this is the GUI tool. So both they work on some script. There is a script, and one is GUI-based and other is the text-based. Okay. So we will find out the GUI based application in the application menu. Now let us click on the. So there was some upgrade was there. We had got a notification that upgrade is there available. So let us check out the upgrade. So here we are using the upgrade from the welcome app or the welcome screen. Let us see what happens. Or there is another method also, that is to upgrade it from the terminal using the Sparky dash upgrade or the SPU. Both the terminal commands will work. How to do it? It is given in the Sparky help also. How to use those commands, and it is given on the website itself. So you can see here it needs to get 348 MB of archives. After this operation, 347 MB of additional disk space will be used. So do you want to upgrade the system? So there is option of upgrade changelog. So let us check out the changelog, or how maybe if we click on changelog, let us see what happens. Okay, so it is giving us the changelog. So it is showing us the terminal. So whenever you do the update or upgrade from the terminal, you can see this screen with the list of the packages that are going to be updated. So it is just showing that list. So in background it is running terminal commands. Okay, so what we will do right now is we will wait for the welcome screen to come back again, or we can do is we will go again. Okay, so let us click OK. So it has started the update. Now what I will do is I will minimize this so we can continue with our review. So let us check out the applications available category wise. In the development section, you got the icon browser. In graphics, you got the G1 view, LibreOffice Draw, Ocular and Scanlight. In internet, you got the Firefox, ESR, KDE Connect, SMS. KGet is a downloader, conversation. This is the social app. Copit is also chat messenger. KTorrent is again the BitTorrent downloader. Then you have got this open on connected device via KDE Connect. Quite RSS is a RSS news reader or news feeder. Rise Up VPN is there. Thunderbird is there. In multimedia, you got the Elisa player. You got K3B DVD burner. Kamoso is there. VLC media player is there, and Voco Screen NG is there. In Office, you have got the complete LibreOffice suite along with the Ocular document viewer. Science Math, you got the LibreOffice Math. In settings, you got the ADSL configuration, firewall configuration, input method, print settings, synaptic package manager, system settings, and the yard settings. So let us check out the firewall configuration. Let us check out yes. So this is the graphical universal firewall. So you have to just toggle it on. Now it has started, and by default all incoming connections are denied and all outgoing connections are allowed. So this is good enough configuration for the general user. So now it will continue to work in the background, and after restart also it will come. Every time you restart, it will automatically start in the background. Okay, now in system, you got about Sparky Linux, Aptos, App Center, Dolphin, Info Center, console, case system guard. Let us check out the case system guard. It will be very interesting. So right now, I think the upgrade is also going on. So let us check out the system load. So CPU usage is hovering between 0 to, yes, very light system. I am surprised. It is well below 5%. One of the best CPU usages I have seen for a KDE desktop. In all other Linux distros, say Ubuntu, Kubuntu, then even Debian also, the CPU usage is little more than this. If you check the KDE desktop of Arco Linux, the KDE desktop of OpenSUSE, all are using more CPU than this. So this is one of the least CPU usages I can see. Then in RAM usage is around 0.55, so it is on the better side. Swap usage is 0 right now, so fantastic. What I saw, let me check. Quantum, did I see a Quantum theme manager also is pre-installed? No, it is not there. It is not there. I thought my eyes played tricks on me, but it is not there. K wallet manager is there. Live USB creator is there. That's great. Print settings is there. Synaptic package manager, system info, system upgrade scheduler. What is that? Let us check out. Okay. So you can schedule your system upgrade. You can exit. You can do the system upgrade within 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour, 12 hours, 7 days. Remove cron scheduler, enable, disable upgrade checker at startup. So that's nice. This is one of the very useful additions to the desktop. So I will now exit from here. Then you have got system upgrade that is already running. You have got time shift backup utility. You have got a USB disk formatter and a welcome screen. So let us check out which USB formatter is given. Nothing. There is no version, no name. So anyway, but it should work since they have designed this system with very deep thoughts. This is one of the best Linux distros I am seeing. Definitely it will find a name in the recommended list of Linux distros, and the time shift is there now. Time shift is a backup utility. I have shown you how to do the configuration of time shift. So we have used the ext4 file system. So we have to go with the rsync, select next. It will estimate the system size. Okay, so right now the update is going on. So here you can see it is asking us for the snapshot location. So anyway, we don't have any other hard disk or any other partition, only the root partition is there. So we'll have to select that only by default. Select next. So we can have a daily backup. So let us have one daily backup, one weekly backup, and one monthly backup. So that is good enough. And one boot backup, only one to keep. So in case the boot fails, you can restore the good boot configuration from here. Select next and exclude all files. You can, what we can do is we can include all the files for the root user from the home directory and exclude all files from the root. So or you can include all files from root. That will make the image very large, so we don't have that space. So what we'll do is exclude all files from the root and include all files from the home directory. And now you have to hit the next button, and now you have to hit the finish button. You have to go through this information, how to roll back the system, how to schedule the snapshots, and if you save snapshot to non-system disk, allows you to format and reinstall the OS on system disk without losing snapshot store on it. So it is giving you some instructions. So now I will close this. We have configured the time shift, and now it has already downloaded the packages for upgrade, and now it is asking us to upgrade the system. Now you have to say okay. Okay, now what we will do is let us check out. Yes, you are done with the system. Now let us check out the utilities. In utilities, you have got arc, emoji selector, kcalc, kfind, kmouse tool, knotes, kwrite, and kspectacle. And there is this help. This is the KDE help. So now what we will do is let the upgrade run in the background. So now it is going to upgrade the packages. So let it run. Meanwhile, we will check out the wallpapers. Wallpapers form an important part of the user experience. So a review is incomplete without checking out the wallpapers. So the wallpapers are Debian only. Two Debian wallpapers are given, and one is the Sparky Linux wallpaper that is right now applied. So there are no other wallpapers applied. So if you click on get new wallpapers, let us see where it takes us. I think it will go and open the KDE wallpaper store. Let us see what happens. Meanwhile, let us check out the Sparky terminal. Yes, so the now upgradation of packages has started. 3% is already done. Here you can see, I think this wallpaper looks very nice. Beautiful wallpaper. Pink sunset by Flary. Wow, real beautiful. Okay, I think we have installed this. And okay, even with this one wallpaper is looking very nice. We can install this one also. Okay, and this one, 2 3 are enough, or we can go with this Eiffel Tower. Okay, that is good enough for us. Now I will close this. Let us check out the wallpapers that have been downloaded. So you see all the Debian default wallpapers are available. Let us apply this, how it looks. Okay, so this is the Eiffel Tower wallpaper. This is very nice. This picture must have been taken during the early morning, so around 7 a.m. I think. Now let us check out this one. System is taking little more time to apply any wallpaper. You can see here. And when I click on this, the Eiffel Tower wallpaper is getting applied. I think some wallpapers are still downloading in the background. Yes. So what we can do is we okay this and come out, and again we go back. Yes, you can see here the placeholder was not correct. Okay, I will get again do the download. There is some error in adopting the pink sunset. Some issue with these two wallpapers. Okay, so there are some issues with the wallpapers. I think reboot will do the correction. We will require to reboot, but otherwise the system is working quite nice. There is no lag in the system, even in the virtual machine also. Everything is working perfectly. Since it is based on Debian, everything is perfect, I can say. I think the update should be over. No, 50% only upgrade is done. Let us wait for the upgrade to complete. There is nothing more to be checked in this review. Linux distro is working perfectly. I am seeing a very good Linux distro after some time. Even the upgrade is also going perfectly. There is no issue, I think, in the upgrade. Okay, so the grub bootloader was previously installed to a disk that is no longer present or whose unique identifier has changed for some reason. It is important to make sure that the installed grub core image stays in the sync with the grub modules and grub.configuration. Please check again to make sure that grub is written to the appropriate boot devices. If you are unsure which drive is designated as boot drive by your BIOS, it is often a good idea to install grub to all of them. Okay, so what we will do is we will hit OK. So we will install the grub. Yes, we can install this here. It is working. Okay, so the upgrade has been done. Now let us restart the system and check whether the upgrade was done properly. So system should reboot back into working again. So yes, let us hit reboot button. So now let us check out the advanced options. So the recovery kernel is there and the newer kernel 5.10.18 has been installed. So I will just go back and boot into the new kernel. Okay, so now the wallpaper has changed automatically. Let us see. This also looks very nice. Okay, so there is some issue with the placeholder. We have downloaded different wallpapers, but only one wallpaper appears and it keeps changing. So now what I will do is I will go back to the settings, system settings. Let us see whether the resolution can be set properly now. No, it is falling back to resolution is falling back to the original one. So there is no. Now let us try this 5 by 3. No, it is again not working. Let us try this out. No, it is also not working. So 4 by 3 should work. Okay, so right now it is 4 by 3 only. Okay, so with this we stop the video here. See you in the next video where we will try out some other, maybe another Linux distro, or we can go with some other versions of Sparky Linux. So Sparky Linux comes with other versions also. So we will check out many. Maybe we will go with the minimal GUI based Sparky Linux, and then we go for the game over and the multimedia Sparky Linux. So see you in the next video.